what are the key metrics to track for Google Ads? Again, it's how long is a piece of string. Without knowing your actual goals for your campaign, I don't know what you are tracking. Are you running campaigns for the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, or the bottom of the funnel? But whichever funnel you have, you've got to track all of these metrics. And the best way to do that is, let's say, for example, top of the funnel. How many people clicked on your ads? How many saw your ads? What was the um, time on site? How much when they clicked on your ad and they came to your website? How long they stayed on your website for? Did they click add to cart, checkout, and all these micro conversions which lead to the likelihood of a conversion happening or not. So all these metrics need to be tracked. Obviously, we need to track the main metrics, which are the actual conversions, and that could be sign up to my live stream or to my webinar, download my cheat sheet, buy this product, whatever the call to action may be for the main metric, that obviously you will always track, but you need to also track all these micro conversions which lead to the actual conversion. Because if you are not getting any conversions right now, then you need to deep dive and think, okay, what is the problem? What is happening? Why am I not getting leads? So I look at my landing page and I see I've got a really nice video on my page, but nobody is clicking on it. Why aren't they clicking on my video? Could it be that my video button doesn't work? It may well not work. That's why. So if I don't track that, I wouldn't know. Are they scrolling to the bottom of the page where my call to action button is? And then I'm wondering, why are they not clicking on my call to action button? Because nobody's clicking at the bottom. All they're doing is reaching your website, looking at the top, and then bouncing off. So this is what you need to do, is to track all of these things, micro and macro conversions. This is what we call them. And then you'll be able to optimize each stage of the funnel. So if they're not clicking on the video uh, on your landing page, then you either need to bring the video up or make sure that the play button is in red, or you embed it from YouTube. Because quite often what happens is, if you embed third-party videos from other apps onto your landing page, they they're not as good as YouTube, because YouTube pretty much works all the time. We've been using YouTube all our, well, not all our lives, but for a long, long time, since we started setting up landing pages and putting videos on there. So all of these things will help you improve your conversion rate for sure. So going back to your question, what are the most important things? I cannot answer in one go. Okay, these are the things which you must track. Well, if you were to ask me a direct question, okay, which ones I must track, I would say conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion. Those are the main ones. Then obviously the impressions, click-through rate is also important, as to the average CPC. 6, 7 metrics will be the most important ones. And then if I'm running a video campaign for video views, then clicks are irrelevant. I'm looking for eyeballs on my video. I'm looking for video views. So the CTR doesn't come into play. So this is why when I say I can't just answer and give you the exact metrics without knowing the actual full goals of your campaign.